guys, this is Rosie and welcome to my channel, The Stylish Sicilian. Welcome back. Today we're going to be trying on dresses from Lulus for under $100 for Valentine's Day. But I don't even know what my plans are yet. I feel like now once you've had children, you just kind of stop doing things like that. But we do little things throughout the year. But I still get excited about a good Valentine's Day outfit, don't you? I don't know, the pinks, the reds, it's just so fun, especially because we're coming out of this really cold winter. I'm hoping we're coming out of, but it just feels nice to wear like fun colors and just, you know, maybe not be in sweats all day. I picked out a couple really pretty dresses and I saved what I'm thinking is the best one for last. It's really fun to look at, so I'm hoping it's just as fun to have on. Well, update on me. I was not able to film recently, so last week we had no video, so sorry. But we recently took a trip to Disney with the kids. We were there for a family function in Florida, and it was so magical. It was our first time going, and the kids had the best time. I'm not sure who had more fun though, if it was my children or my mom. So I'll put some photos here so you can kind of see what's been going on with me and why I've been a scotch MIA on social media. But yes, so I came back home, and then the week we got back, everybody was down with some kind of virus. The kids were just having fevers left and right, and my husband and I also got sick. So this is my first day back to it fully 100%, and hopefully it stays that way. All right, so enough about me. I'm sure you want to get to it. So I'm gonna have everything linked below for you to shop, and I do receive a tiny commission of the sale from anything you do purchase from my links. This is not an ad, however. But yes, I will have my measurements in the description box below to help with size referencing, and I think that's about it. And also, always, if you haven't already, like and subscribe because it helps me so much more than you even know. And I do a lot of fun stuff here, so you want to stick around. All right, enough chit chat. Let's get this haul started. Okay, so this first one is a size small, and it's $74, and it's a wine red. So I'll show it to you. Now, I feel like this is very short, but because I live in the Midwest, I would say this is cute if you maybe have it like with tights, something cute like that. Because I feel like I'm really tall, so not really tall, but tall where I don't know. I'm a mom, I can't be like running around with my kids with this, but because sometimes we do spend Valentine's Day with the kids, but this is cute. I actually really like it. It's adorable. I feel like it would be really nice with, like I said, tights. It's pretty true to size. It fits really well. It has good amount of give. Really, it got a lot of stretch, and it's like a really pretty velvet, like I said, wine red. Who doesn't like that? I feel like I should have put some red lipstick on to really show you how this could look so cute. But I like it. It's very short, yes, I agree. But I feel like when I wear tights, I'm not as concerned with how short it is. I am, but like not as much. But yeah, I'll give you a good look, front and back. And I just kind of threw it on. There's like, I don't think there's a zipper. And I don't think, these buttons are not real. Actually, they might be. No, they're not. But yeah, so cute. I feel like this is easy. And you know, guys, always know Lulus usually has some kind of sale. I never get anything full price from there. If you've watched before my videos, you know that. These are the prices I'm giving you are full price amounts, but you should never pay that, okay? Coupons, baby. Coops. All right, so there you go. There's outfit number one. And I'll link it below. So this one's $89 and it's a size small. A little more steep in price, but I honestly feel like this kind of reminds me of something I've tried on before from Amazon, but I don't know. I feel like I like it more than the one I tried on from Amazon, but I feel like you could probably find one on Amazon that's not $89. But I actually love this style. I feel like in the winter months, I don't see myself wearing this unless I was like kind of somewhere a little bit more Floridian maybe. So it's really cute. It was like in a bag for a few days and it was just like kind of wrinkled, not a lot. So it took like 2 seconds to steam it out and it was fine. But I love how it feels, how it fits. The quality feels very good. It has 2 layers. That's very nice. Like I feel like this is just so pretty and I feel pretty in it. Very cute. I'll show you the back. Really nice. Also short. This is not something probably, I mean, maybe I would wear it if it's just me and my husband, but I always get worried that this will just like fly up. And I'll be like, oh no, what do you do? I wish a lot of these could come with like a skirt option so I could just like feel great in it and not worry about anything, you know, getting a breeze. It's so cute. $89 is pretty steep, guys. Again, coops, but I feel like you could probably find something similar for less on Amazon, but the quality is really nice from Lulus, so always know there's that. I do like me my Lulus. So I give you one last close-up. And yeah, there's like good stretch in it, I would say. It's like pretty good here. I feel like I didn't have to do any adjustments. So yeah, here's the sleeve and you can see that. So nice. So cute. I'll link it. This pretty number is $92 full price, also size small. Normally when I get these kind of satiny dresses, I'm always like, how wrinkly is it gonna be when I grab it out of the bag? This was actually not that bad. I was surprised and really pleasantly surprised. So it was sitting in the bag and I almost didn't even steam it. It was just like a nice thicker satiny type of material, and I love this. You do have like a cutout here that you can barely see probably, which I appreciate. I always love me some cutouts, appropriately done, right? You know, I like it, it's tasteful, but I think it's so pretty and it's a kind of more unexpected style. I don't feel like I've seen this one as much. Like the other ones, I feel like I have seen them for many years, and I feel like Lulus has had those on their site for a good while. I don't know, this one caught my attention and I really think it's pretty. And I know some of these are like not for the Midwest. You know, I don't know where you guys are. Some of you guys are all over the place. So I thought I kind of picked just ones that I liked, and you know, hopefully people are watching from different climates. The only thing I do have, one gripe, is this is a little loose here. But again, I do have, you know, a smaller top, so that might be part of it. So you always have to know, sometimes the way something fits one person, it's not gonna fit another. So I feel like if you're a little bit, you know, chustier on top, this might be nice for you. You might appreciate that extra give, you know? So just know that. But yeah, the back is cute too. There is a zipper. I did forget to mention the last dress also had a zipper up the back, so note that. But I just love this length. This is my favorite length, the Midi. It's so like easy to wear and you still get a little ankle being seen, but so pretty. So if you have like somewhere warm to be this Valentine's Day, this is so cute. So just note that this is kind of like a little loose, so keep in mind your sizing on that. And it does tie on top, but it's like so pretty, such a romantic kind of shade. I don't know why. This one, I think so far this one's my favorite, but I don't know. The last one is really fun, so I'm really hoping that one is as cool as I think it is. I will link this below in case you like it. Guys, just a quick interruption. If you're still watching, I feel like maybe you like me even just a little. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Having you subscribe to my channel helps me so much more than you even know. And even please like this video. Thank you so much. And I will get you back to the try on haul. Okay, so this really pretty kind of rose dress is $99, size small. This one's like beautiful. I feel like I never would have like picked this in the past, but I am feeling it. It's like very pretty for Valentine's Day, but also if you're going on vacation right now, which I feel like a lot of people do when you're in the Midwest, because it's not fun to be here right now. But I love this. It's like the prettiest material. You can see that. It's like the overlay, but it actually feels really good. And it's like a pretty kind of like a mauve-y rose, you know, like a deep mauve, I guess you could say. But I'll show you the back. I love it. And you know what I like? I normally, if it's like no bra type of dress, I'm like, but I feel like it's so pretty. I love it. It's just easy to wear, easy to put on. I'll give you a better look. Sorry for the blinds, but isn't that adorable, guys? It's just classy. And I feel like you could wear this for Valentine's Day. You could wear this for a shower, a wedding event, you know, any kind of event like that. It's just so pretty. I don't even know. I just love it. This was one I thought I was gonna like the least, but I actually sent images to like a couple friends and they told me to try this one on, and I was like, I guess. And I'm glad I did, because it's actually, I think this is now my favorite out of this haul so far. Now we still have that cute one that I said for last, so we'll see if it still wins. Wow, so pretty. And I like that you can kind of tighten it to make it fit your body to your size, which is really nice. There is a zipper right here at the bottom, so you can see it's like not that long though, but so pretty. You could see there's 2 layers. It's a shorter layer, but wow, adorable. Guys, you will not regret this one. This pretty one is just, it's pretty, but it just makes you feel really nice. I don't know. All you do, curl your hair, throw this on, a little lipstick and mascara, you're ready to go. Yeah, that's simple. Are you ready for our grand finale? I've always wanted to try on this dress. From so many websites seem to have it. But anyways, it is a size small and it is $94. And here it is. Hopefully this excites you as much as it excites me. But I know Barbie was last year, but I'm still living my best Barbie dreams right now. This is so cute. I know, guys. I know what you're thinking. Rosie has like doesn't like hug you, doesn't curve you. I can hear my mom already saying like, that's not cute. That doesn't curve your body. No. But hear me out. This one's actually just for fun. Do we always have to feel like sexy and blah, blah, blah? Sometimes you just want to feel like a girl. This kind of makes me feel like Barbie meets Carrie Bradshaw. I don't care. But it's so fun. Stretchy, there's a zipper. It really like helps your, like kind of just like fits your body just very well. And I feel like, I don't know, a queen. But wait, maybe I'll try something with it, hold on. I figured if we're gonna go all out, let's go all out. If you watched my Zara Barbie video from last year, you remember this belt, right? So I know, guys, I know you're like, Rosie, it's too much. I don't care. I feel like enough. This is great. This is so fun. So I don't know, if you're looking to have a little bit more fun, maybe this is like a Valentine's Day look, because it's really just for yourself to feel great, feel fun, and just enjoy your life. I remember I've had some really good Valentine's days in the past before, you know, when I wasn't with anybody, and those are some of my favorite Valentine's days. Yeah, I hope that seems pretty fun to you, because I feel like I wish I wore this back then. I'll give you a close-up so you really could see it. Again, sorry for the bright lights, but here we are. So fun, and you could kind of see like right here, it has like a little fabric, and then poof, so cute. All right, guys, tell me what you think of this one. Was this worth the wait for the end of this video? I'm curious of your thoughts. I will link this in case you decide you want it too. Guys, that's it for today's Valentine's Day video from Lulus, and I hope that you love these looks as much as I did. I'm always excited to try new things, so that was a fun haul for me, and especially this pink dress is just gonna be the thing of dreams. But okay, again, if you like anything, I will link it below for you to shop, and I do get a tiny commission of the sale, and it does help with my content creator life. So thank you so much for watching and making it to the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you at next week's video. Ciao.